So we're on. Good morning, y'all. This is like my first time using OBS. We're on OBS today. Finally made the switch. I stayed up last night and I learned how to work it. Just for you guys. Just for you guys. So if I can get some thank yous in the comments, that would be very great. Um, yeah. So right now we're on NQ right now. We're still on this eval. We've been on this eval for like since Monday. We didn't trade one day, and then yesterday we lost $41.80. Um, took four trades, and yeah, bro. Like this whole month, I like. I'm just get straight to the point. I have not had a win a day this whole month, so I'm trying to win today. What the fuck? Come on, I was on a practice account last night. Uh, But um, just looking at what the actual fuck. Just looking at like price in general. Um, I want to go short. Um, I do not want to continue to be on this long time high. I want to go short and I want to start to come down and take out uh these what's called these blah, 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 draws on liquidity. It's been a while since I talked trading talk, but 9:30 market just open. Honestly, if we're going long, we know it's gonna hit Asia and London. Yeah, it's not even worth the move anymore. I was like, because if we're on the eval, we just need money, so it was just enter and then. But yeah, I want to go short today, so we're gonna be looking for the reversal off of the sweep with these two. We want you on the 5 minute with these big lows relative. Uh, just gotta wait and see. Mm. This is like the most annoying and boring part. Let's see what ES is doing. I did not mark up ES. All right, ES is pumping good. Is ES still at all time high? No, they're nowhere near good. Mm. ES has been moving like a lot cleaner than NQ. Well, I know looking at ES yesterday, it was moving a little bit cleaner. Cause I had got on NQ because like after the first move on NQ yesterday, there were like no moves left in the market. And just looking at ES like just looked to be moving more cleaner. I think we're gonna go down to Asia lows from here. Honestly, I want to wait and see what this does. We're gonna stick to the strategy, even though it may just make sense to just wait for one of our key levels to get hit, and then we're going to hop in from there. So, yeah, bro. So, all right, you would have been getting filled right now. It's all good. So, we're gonna look to take out London low. London made a huge low. If not, we're going. We could catch longs going back up. I just wanna. I don't have to actually trade. Yeah, we would have got filled. All right, there we go. We just hit Asia low. Now let's just see what happens. See if we get the continuation that we're looking for. If so, we just enter. Bro, it's so cold in this room. Equilibrium here. We have a 1 minute fair value gap right here. Alright, hit that second level. The next pullback, I'm gonna interrupt the next pullback, even if it isn't too big of a pullback, just to get in, because I can't miss this move. Not trying to like sound like I have FOMO or anything, but the way market has been moving, like the moves have just not been giving you entry. So I just learned that I'm just gonna sometimes have to go against, you know, my own thing. I'm not getting shit. Cause I know right when I enter, I know right when I enter, we're gonna get that pull back up. There we go. All right, we're in. OCD is literally fucking bothering me. All right, there we go. You see what yes is doing? Whoa. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yes. Hopped on the trend. What the fuck is happening? Are they going? Are they having like a sword fight down here or something? All right, bro. Yeah, but dude. So yeah, there weren't really any like really too much. There wasn't really too much to this trade. Oh my god, I'm trying to fix it. It wasn't really like too much to this trade. It was just like continuation confluence. Not my daily buys. We got the break. Sorry, I'm still kind of sick. And then we just entered, bro. We entered with how the market's been moving. The market's been moving pretty gay. There will be a lot of moves. Like lately, there's been a lot of moves, but with those moves, there are no entries. You know what I'm saying? So it's like roller coasters with no seats to ride on, to get on. You know what I mean? So, like one thing I just kind of noticed, and I've just been saying to myself after noticing this pattern, like for example, like on this whole move, you would think we would get you would think something would fill this fair value gap or at least wick into it. It's none of that, bro. What the fuck? This is about no way. No, you would think something would, you know, come and fill this fair value gap and then continue lower. No, it's just continue, continue, continue. Small retraces, small retraces on the candle. So I just adapted and entered off of that really rather than entering off of that fair value gap equilibrium. I know it's probably not the right way to trade, but honestly, you, you got to do what you got to do sometimes. You got to do what you got to do. Um, Hopefully this shit could go our way. Yeah. Uh, but if we win this trade, this would be our first winning day of the month. I have not had a winning day in the month of September at all. I know that's crazy to say, right? Yeah, we lost every single day we traded in September. And we're halfway through the month, but um, I haven't traded too much during the month of September. But oh shit, it's 9:44. Look, that's right next to me. We can yeah. Bro, what the fuck is going on, dude? Let's check ES, see what's happening on there. Also, if you guys are not in the Discord, make sure you join up. ES has like one huge candle that's like just draking down. I have reminders. Let me text in the Discord. All right, there we go. Damn, huge wick. Hopefully this could fill us. Fuck. Close to the time that I have to depart. Oh, don't tell me that was a liquidity sweep. Nah, no liquidity sweep. Yeah, no liquidity sweep. So we're good. Uh, just a lower time frame retracement. So we're good. We're good. We're good. Yeah, we're just getting a 1 hour and a 30 minute retrace on the lower time frames. So I'm not really stressing too much about it. But I do want this next candle to somewhat go my way. Yeah. Oh my god. Do I have bad luck at trading?
Order filled.
Because we just got stopped out. Oh my fucking gosh, bro. This shit is not real. This was a bad trade. Was this bad? Like, you can't. You see why I have not been trading because it just has not been making sense. Like, it just really hasn't been making any type of sense lately, bro. Like, I've been doing nothing wrong. I've been following my strat, I've been staying patient, staying calm, staying poised. I haven't been getting greedy, I haven't been over leveraging, I haven't been doing any of that. Revenge trading, psych's been great. It just hasn't been making sense. And it's not that I want to quit or anything, but it's just like it's just bullshit. It's just stupid. It's it's uncompatible. You can't trade this. Like, how am I doing everything right and still losing? Not getting it. Not getting it at all. This is gonna come back down. Like I said, this is just a 30-minute retrace. Like, I'm not getting it, bro. Um, I gotta get ready. I gotta go to class. So, I'll be back. I gotta, how do I save these videos? I'm gonna have to probably look into that. But um, let's see what market does. If market inverses this right here, I'm just gonna enter long. Honestly, I don't really care, bro. I got nothing to lose. We're tapping into this fair value gap, and let's see what happens with that. 7 seconds. Bro, I'm late to class every day because of trade. Looks like we respected it. No, we did not respect that shit at all. I don't think so, at least. It's made He has made one huge candle up. Wow. Alright. I want to continue lower because I know we have the lower time frames. Literally on the side. We're in equilibrium from these highs to these lows. I gotta get ready to go. We just we're in inversing this for value up. The candle closes. Right now we're just wicking it. Just trying to see before I go. I already know I'm gonna be late. All right, I think we're about to go take out London and Asia highs. Could we just inverse this fair value gap? Oh, candle close right above it. All right, let's just wait these 15 seconds. See what happens. Depending on how this candle closes, it'll determine what I enter. Oh shit.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's close that. Oh,
Order filled.
probably shouldn't have closed that trade because I literally just entered the same thing, bro. But it is what it is, bro. I probably shouldn't have entered this, but I don't even give a fuck, honestly, bro. Like, I don't. I gotta head to class. I'll be back after class like around 11. Whatever happens, happens. I don't really care anymore, bro. I wouldn't even be mad if I lose this account because I am getting tired of trading. But I'll be right back. All right, I'm back from class. Um, trade hit. It hit while I was in class. I was trying to get to class and just show you guys um, trying to like get to class and show you guys what you call it. Show you guys it hitting, but it hit like right before I got to class, like right as I opened my computer. We were already cashed out. Um, yeah, bro, this would have been a great trading day for me if I like was trading on XFA. Because this would have been TP1. Oh, let me not touch that. This would have been my TP1. Sorry, my OCD's bad. This would have been my TP1, right? Then TP2 would have got hit. That's the final one. Probably would have tried to catch this short before Asia and this one, so we would have had four TPs. But yeah, first one in the day of the month. Um, and first day of the month where we recorded a full trading session without the fucking thing crashing. So two wins in one day. Um, right now, I mean I'm locked out, so I'm done for today. Um, we need 2,200 more to pass the eval, so I'm not even really rushing that. Um, we'll just be back tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow gives us the same type of moves that we could capitalize off of. Hopefully it's not as gay this time because this shit was like ridiculously gay. Like there's no reason for it to. We entered the original position that we entered was literally here. We can't even say the stop loss was too tight or anything. I don't want to hear any of that bullshit. It just didn't make sense. We just had to re-enter. Um, I mean, yeah, I had to be more patient or whatever, but at the time, that's a good move. You can't like that first trade we took was a great trade. Um, it's just dumb how we got stopped out. Could have got a little bit more if I just entered right off the fair value gap. Um, I don't know. Anyways, though, we're up $873.20 today. A win is better than, you know what I'm saying? We started off with an L. I could have minimized loss if I didn't accidentally, if I didn't close my that second entry. I don't know why I did that. Um, Here's what it is. We're here now. You know what I'm saying? We're up 800 on the day, up 800 on the account, and we need 1,200 more. So tomorrow we're gonna be back at it again. We're gonna be aiming to get this eval passed by Friday. That's the goal. Obviously, if we gotta stretch it into next week, we gotta stretch it into next week. But yeah, man. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, I love OBS. If you guys aren't in the, if you guys haven't, if you guys are new here and haven't subscribed, make sure you drop the like and subscribe and turn on the notification button so every time I post, you guys can get the notification. Also, if you're not in the Discord, make sure you join up on that. It's pretty, it's growing right now. We just hit 30 members in there. Wait, hold on. Bless me. Just hit 30 members in the Discord. So yeah, if you guys are in there, join up, man. Make sure you guys are in there. Um, I wasn't really too active in there today. I'm gonna be just just spectating, just seeing what the other guys in there taking today, what they took today, their losses and stuff like that. But yeah, man. Have a great day. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Peace out.